Hi guys! In today's video, you are in for a treat. I'll be talking about the ultimate guide to Outside Lands 2018. For those of you who don't know what Outside Lands is a 3-day festival, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday that's happening this coming weekend. It's a music festival. The 3 main headliners are The Weeknd, Janet Jackson, and Florence the Machine, and I'm really excited to see all of them. It's held in Golden Gate Park in San Francisco. It's very convenient to access. I can quickly grab an Uber and head straight to the festival. I actually got the pre-sale tickets when they first came out because I knew that I really wanted to go to Outside Lands no matter who played. I'm really glad I got them because this year's lineup is actually really good. I am so excited for Outside Lands. I have literally spent the entire day trying to figure out and plan who I'm going to see, what I'm going to eat, what I'm going to drink, literally the whole thing, and I'll be sharing all of this with you right now, today, right here. Before we go any further, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. Let's keep on watching. So here's what I'll be covering. I will be covering what to wear, what things to bring, which performances I want to see, what to eat and drink at the festival, and lastly, the tips and tricks that I have to make this festival a more pleasant one. So sit back, relax, grab a bowl of popcorn, grab your LaCroix beverage, whatever you need to do it now. Let's get straight to the video. Well, you might be thinking, okay, this sounds like Coachella. In a way, it kind of is like Coachella, but the way that you dress is not like Coachella. You do not want to be wearing LA clothes in the San Francisco weather. Outside Lands is going to be freezing cold. The daytime will be a little bit warmer, but then it's going to get really cold after the sun sets. Make sure that you layer up. I'm going to be wearing a long sleeve top, probably some jeans or leggings, a sweater over that. And after a sweater, I'm going to wear another jacket over that, so I will be comfy and cozy. So basically, what you need to wear is something that is cozy, something that is warm, and that will last you the whole entire day. Let's move on to the things you should bring. In this year's festival, they are allowing you to bring a backpack, but it has to be clear. So I bought this backpack off of Amazon for like $15. It's actually a very good material and high quality. I can definitely wear this again, probably for next year. I'll be bringing the following items: a water bottle, a plastic water bottle, a makeup bag, lotion, hand sanitizer, a mirror, extra contact lenses, blotting sheets, a hair clip, hair ties, a plastic hair tie, lipstick, sunscreen, an eyelash curler, eyeliner, lip balm, and that is it for my makeup bag. I'm bringing a pair of sunglasses. Yeah. And now for the snacks. These rice crackers, granola bar, a chocolate bar, almonds, chocolate, and gum, matcha green tea powder, a small binder clip or crackers so it doesn't go everywhere once I open the package. And tied to this is my infinity scarf to keep me warm when it's really cold in the evening time. I'm also going to be bringing a blanket. And that sums what I'll be bringing to the festival. They have a whole list of items in their FAQ section, so I highly recommend you guys check it out before you go to the festival. You can bring a small clutch bag or a fanny pack that does not have to be clear. If you don't want to buy one of these clear bags, you don't have to. You can just bring a fanny pack. Okay, so now let's go into the performances and artists I want to see. There are so many good artists that are playing at Outside Lands this year. I want to see so many people and it's so hard. It takes a good 20 to 30 minutes to walk from one side to the other side. So you have to be really strategic in who you want to see. And I think they do that on purpose because they don't want one side to be primarily occupied. And if you have a huge inflow of people on one side, then everyone won't have a really great viewing experience. So for Friday, I will be seeing Quinn XCII, LAUV, Billie Eilish, Rex Orange County, Rae Jepsen, Odesza, and The Weeknd. Of course, The Weeknd. I was so glad when The Weeknd was chosen to play at Outside Lands. I know that he also headlined Coachella. So let's move on to Saturday. Jessie Reyez, Daniel Caesar, CHVRCHES! In between Jessie Reyez and Daniel Caesar, there's going to be a bigger gap. Thinking of going to Winelands or Cheeseland, just hanging out at that area. Get some cheese, wine, yes! After churches is about dinner time, so we're just gonna grab a bite to eat then. At 6:50 is Illennium, then Florence the Machine for Saturday. So moving on to Sunday. Sunday is where things are a little bit more up in the air than Friday and Saturday. I'm deciding between two options and they're around the same time. Let me just share with you guys who I want to see. Kailee Morgue, Kelela, Florence, and Gryffin playing at the same exact time. I think I'm leaning more towards Gryffin at this point. Janelle Monáe, Portugal the Man, bite to eat, then go to see Janet Jackson. Can't wait for it to start on Friday. Wow, that is a lot of people that I want to see in the span of 3 days. 3 days! 3 days! Can you believe that? I need a sip of water. Let's move on to what I want to eat and drink at the festival. When I looked at the list of the food vendors, I was so shocked. There's a lot of great restaurants that are going to be at Outside Lands. Market Fair, Trestle, Tacolicious, Glaze, Teriyaki. There's so many different restaurants here in SF going to be here at the festival. I just can't wait to hear great performances and eat some amazing food. So these are my top places where I want to eat. Proposition Chicken that has a fried chicken sandwich. Market Fair that has a curry noodle soup. Sataysfield, rice and chicken satays, and I love chicken satays. And they also have meat tek tek, which is this fried noodle, which I love. The glazed teriyaki bowls are always great. What I'm really excited to try is the avocado fries at Nombe. It's so Californian. Nombe also has the ramen burger and Japanese hot fries. I want to try all of them. Cooked on sugar and spun, they sell cotton candy bouquets. I really want to see what it is. Near the Cheeselands and Winelands area, Rocko's ice cream tacos. Tartine Manufactory. There's a section called Bubble Tea Party. They have Cupcakes and some great boba drinks. Near the Twin Peaks stage, there's a section called Hellman Hollow. Higher end food places. They have restaurants like Trestle, Ray's, Little Star. Just more premium food vendors. If you're looking for that, you should definitely go here. They have Humphrey Slocombe ice cream, and it has these fusion inspired ice cream flavors that are really good. One of the really great ones is Secret Breakfast. I'm definitely eyeing the jambalaya at Ray's, baked pasta and meat bolognese in Trestle, and you can't go wrong with the fried chicken sandwich from the Bird. The Ecolands area, I want to grab Boba Guys. Outside Lands also has experiences and they have it in the app. What I'm really excited to see for these experiences is 14 Hands Rosé, Frozen Rosé. I really want to go to the mini golf course. For the bubble tea party, I also read that you should go to it in the evening time. The places there will be glow in the dark, which is really cool. They also have this marketplace craft fair. Different vendors can sell their handmade craft items. I'm really excited to check that out. Wow, that was a lot. Some last minute tips and tricks. Make sure you bring wet wipes and some extra toilet paper. A small roll will be fine. Toilet paper can quickly run out at these festivals. Make sure to dress warmly. You might like different artists than I do, but I would highly recommend going to the site, seeing who you like. The app automatically syncs with your schedule that you do online, so it makes it really easy. I think that it's good to be prepared, but also to be flexible. You might just end up doing different things that you didn't know that you could do there once you get there. Just keep that in mind. Okay, I hope that this video was really helpful as you start planning your Outside Lands experience, whatever that looks like for you. If you see me there, please stop by and say hi. If you haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up. Please also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you there. Bye guys!